SRPT down 8.26%. This is Thursday, the 21st of August, 2025. So it seems the company has gone into a debt financing deal that means that some of its debt may have been pushed back by around 3 years, and it has sparked a debate that some are saying that it's going to lead to dilution in the future, and some are saying that it's a strategic move that will ensure that the company has a decent amount of funds to for advance its drugs, Elevidys, and all the other ones concerning DMD. I believe Elevidys, I think, is also associated with DMD, Duchenne's muscular dystrophy, amongst other things going on there. Yeah, so let's see what's going on. No further intraday high or the intraday lows have printed so far. Let's see what we have. This is the 4 hour chart. It has reflected what's going on. So lower prices, ultimately what the extrapolation is saying is that it's going to cycle all the way down to Wednesday, the 27th of August. No guarantee that that will be the case. No, actually, if I say cycle, it's yeah, cycle all the way down to Wednesday, the 27th of August. But the completion of the cycle will be sometime on Thursday, exactly 1 week from today. There's no guarantee that this will be the case. In terms of projections, we have let's see, current prices 18.90. 18.90. Let's see what we have. We have downward projections 16.99, 17.75, 18.98. Upper projection 21.56. Upper projection. Previously, we had let's see what we had. We had as of late July or thereabouts, close to late July, we had 23.28, 26.18, 27.67, 30.37. Let's see what we have. Selling pressure, or rather price pressure momentums. Okay, the two moving averages on this chart, the 10 and 21, 10 and 21 period moving averages are severely bearish. However, the derivatives on the 21 period are all robustly bullish, and the second derivative on the 10 period moving average are also robustly bullish. However, we have a severely bearish or negative first derivative on a 10 period moving average, indicating that I think a bottom definitely sorry, is likely to be at hand. It's likely to be at hand, going by the robustly positive derivatives. But it could also mean that the decay is yet to go far enough. It hasn't gone far enough. Maybe, yeah, maybe it could be that. It could be. Yeah, usually, it's a mix of those. Since it hasn't weakened that much, you wouldn't expect everything. You would expect that some derivatives may still be positive. Yeah. Okay, so let's just quickly see what the news is saying here. Sarepta falls on move to refinance $700 million convertible bonds. Okay, yeah, that's what we just mentioned there. Let's just quickly glance at its daily chart. Underlying trend is severely, strongly bearish, and lower prices are expected to keep laying out, going all the way towards Wednesday, 17th of September. Projections here we have 20.09 currently in play. Let's see. Let's return to the 4 hour chart. Let's see whether we can look at the prospects of setting of some probabilities. Okay, let's see. If we go by this extrapolation, which is it's saying here a low of 18.15 is may print by the post-market session of today, 18.15. So in order to find out what that probability is, all we can do statistically is refer to the price points, the previous price points. So the figure we have is 18.2, 18.2, and then this is where the moving averages are. So we're just going to consider only the 10-period moving average. If the moving average is less than 18.2, then we have a probability of 18.2. We'll have a probability that is less than 50%. Yeah, less than 50%. So all we need to do now is to slide and pick up 18.2. The first point, 18.2. Is it 18.2? It's not. It's 18.15. Sorry, 18.15. So we have the moving average is 17.95. So we have a probability that is less than 50% at this first instance. But also note there are so many price points. There are so many 18.15s. You can see along the charts going all the way towards at least the 18th of July. So let's have a look here. 18.15. Let's see. 18.15. Yeah, we have 20.62. Okay, so if this were the only data point or price point we're considering, then we have a probability that it will print. We have a 50% probability that it will print, but it's obviously not. So we'll move to the right, pick up 20 here again. It's 20.44. So another 50%, another 50% that it will print, and then we slide again. 18 point, I think it's 18.05. Yeah. Okay, this time around is less than 18.5. So less than we have less than 50%. So here 13.78, less than 60, less than 50%. Here we have less than 50%, and here we have less than 50%. So I think ultimately we have the probability of it printing, because I think we have seen only, okay, let's see now. So far, two are greater than 50%, two cases. Okay, we can still slide again and see. 18.05 keeps going off. Less than 50%, less than 50%. Yeah, so ultimately we have the probability of it printing that's less than 50%. It does not mean they would not. You may still go ahead and print that price, but statistically it's less than 50%. Even with a probability of 1%, a lot can still happen. A lot can still happen with it's what a 1%, a 0.1% probability holds a lot of certainty in it. So yeah, let's just see how things go, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.